But as far as even reservation has already come into place as far as CCP polls are concerned. So as far as your panel is concerned, how are you all gearing up? Whatever.
No, see, we've already finalized a list of candidates for each and every ward. So we are ready. There's no issue from our side also. What? No, not officially declared. But we have the names of everybody who we are contesting. There are a lot of fresh faces this time.
As far as the MLA has said 50% new faces, it will be 50% new faces, what it is?
No, so there will be a lot of new faces also depending on how the wards, how the reservations and everything are done. We want to encourage a lot of new candidates to come forward and everything also. So yeah, it will be a good panel also.
Any impact of SIR or something in this election? It will be
No, there's nothing. Nothing like that.
So when your campaigning starts after Monday?
No, see, our campaigning means our process. See, our work has never stopped. In terms of formal campaigning, that will happen as and when we get closer to the date. But as of now, we are still responding to all the queries that the citizens have, whatever issues they have. We are addressing currently also. In terms of formal campaignning, that will start only much later.
As far as 5 years as a mayor, what is the plus point that you are taking ahead in these elections?
No, see, in terms of, if you look at what we've achieved in the past 5 years, no other council has done as much as we had also. I remember I was talking to somebody, people said that flooding also was something that could never be solved. We have showed in the past 2 or 3 years that flooding can be resolved. In the past 2-3 years, there have been no issues in terms of flooding. 18 June Road has been fine, a lot of these other issues have been fine. In terms of we won a national award, received an award at the hands of our President, Honorable Prime Minister Modi also has acknowledged our efforts. Panjim is cleaner, it's safer, it's better than it ever has been also. So in terms of work, this council has done a lot also.
What about the name declaration?
That will happen later.
So no impact of other panels and all? Whatever.
No, see, if they want to campaign or in terms of work done, they have not done any work at all. All of these parties will show up in the last 10-15 days. We'll appeal to people's emotions and everything like that and expect to win votes. Now, in terms of being on the ground, we have been on the ground constantly and we will continue to be on the ground also. So, in terms of development, there is no way that they can attack us personally also. They have started criticizing us from day one also. That also has stopped. So, in terms of work,
what about the casino? The casino effect might.
See, casino also now, it is very few people who are making an issue. Those people who had come to me are only, when they give me the representation, there were 3 signatories on the representation. Now I don't represent 3 people. I represent 22,000 people. I've been very clear also, there is no plan. If you all want to remove the casinos, you all should come up with a plan for Panjim. What is going to happen to our businesses, our shopkeepers, our employment, our jobs, our youth are employed. How are they supposed to support their families and all? And these people have no interest and do not care also.
In the last 5 years, if you go to see, we have seen the opposition only specifically instead of saying anything about the projects or work, they have pinpointed and especially targeted you and your MLA.
No, see, that is what I'm saying. See, character assassination was the cheapest form of politics now because they don't have anything else to attack us when it comes to work. They will do this only. See, my only hope is that people can see past all these cheap tactics that all these people employ. Now, even that ruckus that they created in the corporation also, I had informed these people the night prior, and in the morning, I have the messages to prove it. I know that they have messages circulating also that show that they knew. Valmiki also knew that the meeting was cancelled around 9:30 before everyone showed up. He tricked all of those elderly citizens and Libby Lobo and all into coming over there, and he lied to them basically. Now, all this is all planned drama, nothing else. You cannot come with one list of... This is cheap politics, Baba. I have said also, corporation has nothing to do with issuing licenses at all. It is all coming down to different departments. They have not gone to any of those departments. They made a ruckus at Captain of Ports, who again has nothing to do with any of this also. It is all the ministers and everybody. So now, unless they have a plan or unless they want to meet those ministers, then they can. But see, like I've said earlier also, I am not in favor of gambling. I think it's a horrible habit. I am not in favor of the casinos. But now they generate a lot of employment and a lot of our locals and everything are employed by these people. So there is no plan for, if they have no plan for what happens to after that, then we are also not in favor of it also.
Where any impact will be there for regarding the smart city in the upcoming election?
See, smart city, if you look, now the projects of smart city also, while they were being constructed, there were a lot of issues. I will agree also. Now, whatever has happened now has happened. If you look at the pumping station, Mala has not flooded at all. So there is a lot of good that has come from our projects also. So I don't see any effect.
Okay.
Thank you.